Manish, tell us a little bit about CloudCover and your role as a founder at CloudCover.
Well, CloudCover started off because we kind of fell into it. One of our customers asked us to build stuff for them and put it up on the cloud, and then they asked us to run it. Everything else is history.
And it's great to see how far you've come. I think it'd be interesting to kind of talk about that journey.
Well, I think that the process of getting here was not planned out. It's a lot to do with timing. This is just the time for the cloud. And I think that's really the one thing that held true for us, was just the identification that this is a seminal moment in computing history. I think that the core of our success has been we do less of the consultative stuff and actually say, all right, you have a problem, this is how I think you should solve it, and then we just go out and solve it. And that value that we have delivered for the customer starts multiplying. We never did the infrastructure game, right? We never ran data centers. We're cloud first, we're cloud native in that sense.
Cloud only.
Cloud only.
What has led for you to really be not only a premier partner of Google, but continue to really invest in the Google Cloud practice at CloudCover?
We love it, and we actually enjoy the technology. And Google's technology is awesome. It's really developer friendly. The APIs work great. The culture is one of helping out. We're not seen as outsiders at Google. We're seen as part of the family. As a partner, it makes a huge difference to us to feel like you have our backs, right?
You're an extension of us.
Yeah, and you take care of your partners really well.
What are you most excited about just about technology and the evolution of technology?
I just love the fact that we're finally killing the VMs. That's stuff that humans shouldn't have to worry about. I think that's what it boils down to. You should get to work. You should be writing code. You should be, making cool stuff.
Focusing on their outcomes.
Yeah, and just delivering the maximum value. Do higher value work. Just get up above the nuts and bolts, the kind of just keeping the lights on sort of situation, and work towards adding genuine value.
What are you most excited on the technology front for Google Cloud?
Well, we're making a big bet on Anthos. When we started CloudCover, we said we're public cloud only. And back then, that was a big deal. I'm talking 2008, 2009, we said public cloud only, and everyone else was like, well, that means you're not going to deal with data centers at all. That's crazy. You guys are nuts. But now public cloud is everything. And it turns out that the public cloud is going to go into the data center. It's a challenge, but it's a new one. And we love biting off more than we can chew at CloudCover.